Every successful business starts with a clear sense of direction. At the heart of this direction are two essential statements: the vision and the mission. These statements are more than just words on a wall, they serve as the compass for every decision a company makes. In this video, we'll explore how vision and mission statements play a crucial role in guiding business decisions, shaping company culture, and ensuring long-term success. Let's begin by understanding what these statements really mean and why they matter so much in the business world. Vision statement describes what a company aspires to become in the future. It's an inspiring declaration that paints a picture of the organization's long-term goals and dreams. Vision statements are meant to motivate employees, attract customers, and set a clear direction for growth. Articulating a compelling vision, businesses can align their efforts and resources toward a shared future. Next, let's see how a mission statement differs from a vision statement and why both are necessary. While a vision statement looks to the future, a mission statement focuses on the present. It defines the company's core purpose, values, and the approach it takes to achieve its goals. The mission statement answers the question, why does this business exist? By clarifying its mission, a company can ensure that every action and decision aligns with its fundamental purpose. Now, let's explore how these two statements work together to guide business decision. Vision and mission statements are most powerful when used together. The vision sets the destination, while the mission outlines the path to get there. Together, they provide a framework for strategic planning and decision-making. When a company faces tough choices, referring back to these statements helps ensure that decisions are consistent with the organization's values and long-term objectives. Let's look at how this plays out in real business scenarios. Strategic planning is the process of defining a company's direction and making decisions on allocating resources. Vision and mission statements serve as the foundation for this process. They help leaders prioritize initiatives, set measurable goals, and evaluate progress. With a strong foundation, businesses can adapt to changes while staying true to their core purpose. Next, we'll see how these statements influence daily operation. Vision and mission statements aren't just for executives, they guide employees at every level. From customer service to product development, these statements inform daily decisions and behaviors. When everyone understands the company's purpose and direction, it creates a sense of unity and motivation. This alignment leads to consistent customer experiences and a strong organizational culture. Let's examine how these statements impact company culture. Company's culture is shaped by its values, beliefs, and behaviors. Vision and mission statements articulate these values and set expectations for how employees interact with each other and with customers. When these statements are authentic and well communicated, they foster a positive work environment and attract like-minded talent. Now, let's see how vision and mission statements help in making tough business decisions. Every business faces moments of uncertainty or crisis. In these times, vision and mission statements act as a guiding light. They help leaders evaluate options and choose the path that aligns with the company's core values and long-term goals. This clarity can make all the difference when stakes are high and decisions are tough. Next, let's look at how these statements support innovation and growth. Clear vision inspires innovation by encouraging employees to think creatively about the future. The mission statement ensures that new ideas and initiatives are consistent with the company's purpose. Together, they create an environment where innovation thrives and growth is sustainable. Let's see how these statements help attract and retain customers. Customers are drawn to companies with a clear sense of purpose and direction. Vision and mission statements communicate what a business stands for and why it matters. When customers resonate with these values, they are more likely to become loyal advocates. This loyalty not only drives sales but also strengthens the company's reputation. Next, let's discuss how these statements influence stakeholder relationships. Stakeholders, including employees, investors, and partners, look to a company's vision and mission for assurance and direction. These statements help build trust and foster long-term relationships. When stakeholders see that a company is committed to its values, they are more likely to support its initiatives and invest in its future. Now, let's explore how to craft effective vision and mission statements. Creating impactful vision and mission statements requires clarity, authenticity, and ambition. The vision should be bold yet achievable, while the mission should be specific and actionable. Involving employees in the process ensures buy-in and relevance. Once crafted, these statements should be communicated clearly and integrated into every aspect of the business. Next, let's look at some real-world examples. Google's vision is to provide access to the world's information in one click. Its mission is to organize the world's information and make it universally accessible and useful. These statements have guided Google's growth and innovation, influencing everything from product development to company culture. Let's examine another example to see how different companies use these statements. Tesla's vision is to create the most compelling car company of the 21st century by driving the world's transition to electric vehicles. Its mission is to accelerate the world's transition to sustainable energy. These statements have shaped Tesla's strategy, product offerings, and brand identity. Now, let's discuss common mistakes companies make with vision and mission statements. Some companies create vision and mission statements that are too vague, generic, or disconnected from their actual operations. Others fail to communicate or revisit these statements as the business evolves. Avoiding these pitfalls ensures that the statements remain relevant and impactful. Next, let's see how to keep these statements alive in daily business life. Vision and mission statements should be more than just slogans. They need to be integrated into daily routines, performance reviews, and company communications. Leaders should reference them regularly and celebrate achievements that align with these statements. This keeps the organization focused and motivated. Now, let's talk about revisiting and updating these statements. As businesses grow and markets change, it's important to revisit vision and mission statements. Regular reviews ensure that these statements stay relevant and reflect the company's current aspirations and realities. Updating them when necessary keeps the organization agile and responsive. Next, let's summarize the key takeaways from our discussion. Vision and mission statements are essential tools for guiding business decisions. They provide direction, inspire employees, attract customers, and build stakeholder trust. By crafting clear, authentic, and ambitious statements and keeping them alive in daily operations, companies can navigate challenges and seize opportunities. Let's wrap up with a final thought on the power of purpose. Purpose-driven companies stand out in today's competitive landscape. Vision and mission statements are the foundation of this purpose, helping organizations stay true to their values while adapting to change. By embracing these statements, businesses can create lasting impact for employees, customers, and society. Now, let's look at some practical steps you can take to strengthen your own company's vision and mission. Strengthen your company's vision and mission. Start by involving key stakeholders in the process. Gather feedback, reflect on your core values, and ensure your statements are clear and actionable. Communicate them widely and integrate them into every aspect of your business. Regularly review and update them as your company evolves. Finally, let's conclude with a call to action for leaders and teams. Conclusion: vision and mission statements are not just formalities, they are powerful tools that guide every aspect of business decision-making. By leading with a clear vision and a strong mission, companies can inspire their teams, delight their customers, and achieve sustainable success. Remember, the journey to greatness begins with a single, purposeful statement. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of vision and mission in business.